Well, are you worried the IRS might target you for an audit? You probably should be if you own a small business. A new study by the National Taxpayer Advocate used confidential IRS data to show large clusters of potential tax cheats. The study also looked at tax compliance in different industries and found that people who own construction companies or real estate rental firms may be more likely to cheat their taxes than business owners in other fields. Of course, today marks the April 15th National Tax Deadline. It's your last chance to file your taxes without any penalties, and David Perez with Liberty Income Tax is here to give us a lot more details about that and about cheating taxes and all of that good stuff. Good morning, David.
Morning.
Thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Today is the deadline for those procrastinators to file their taxes. Tell us what they can do if they don't know if they have any other options. What are they?
Option is, of course, to see a tax professional if you've already waited this long to get to this point. I mean, apparently you have some questions, right? Or you're waiting on some paperwork, or you're missing something, or whatever it may be. So I guess at this point is either go consult with a tax professional like Liberty Tax, or of course file an extension. You know, you can even visit your local IRS office, although we don't recommend that, but you can do that if you'd like. Okay,
so tell me why people sometimes wait till the last minute in cases like this. What do you see in your office?
Most commonly, people are missing forms, such as their employer or their former employer didn't send it to them in time, and they're just hesitant on filing. Or, you know, they owe taxes, or they feel they're going to owe taxes, and of course they don't want to file. People think that if they just avoid it, it's just never going to happen. You know, if you don't file, you know, you're going to owe money anyways. It doesn't really matter, regardless of the fact if you show up on April 15th or October 15th or July, whatever. You're going to owe money. If you're going to owe money, that's just the simple truth.
Well, you touched on something important. What should people do that feel like they may owe some money, or they have owed money in the past? What are the procedures they should take?
What you should do, of course, is make sure that you're getting every penny that you deserve credited towards the money that you owe, like making sure that you put in all your itemized deductions, what we call your charitable contributions, your medical expenses, your mortgage interest, your real estate taxes, your job-related business expenses, taxes that you may have paid, like buying a car or a large purchase. Those things will benefit you, and of course if you have all those things, you know, all your ducks lined up, it may lessen the hit of the taxes you may owe.
Absolutely, and today is the deadline. We've mentioned that a couple of times. So your offices are going to be open until what time to help all these people out?
Actually, we're going to be open till midnight tonight.
Oh my gosh.
All our offices in Cameron and Willacy County are going to be open till midnight, so anybody who needs to file, and of course we're also going to be filing free extensions. So for those people who need help or have more forms that they're missing, we're going to be filing those for free all day today.
Awesome. Well, David, stick around with us. We have a lot more to talk about on that tax deadline. In the meantime, let's send it over to Victoria.